Hello, my name is Sergey Renjin, and this video is about top 5 mistakes you make when installing facade lighting for a private house. The first and most popular mistake comes up when you don't have an answer to question: why is this lamp in this part of the facade?
This highlight is also called architectural. So our goal is to show building architectural as a whole, because you probably better than many architects know why you choose this facade, and you're better than any architect who designs your house can tell where which part of the facade is the main one.
You only need to follow 2 rules here. The first rule is symmetry. Everything should be symmetrical and beautifully relative to each other. If you make lighting in the vertical way, it should be symmetrical on the 2 facade sides.
And the second rule, as I said, is simple to be able to answer questions like: why is this particular lamp placed here?
Next, also very popular problem is a light burns on the facade. A light burn happens when we install a lamp without any understanding what kind of optic it has, what kind of light stream it has. We lean in directly against the building and get such a powerful light spot at the base of the lamp. And is better not illuminate the facade at all than to put lights everywhere on the facade and get a lot of separate light spots. It's really easy to avoid light burns. You only need to separate the device from the facade at a good, proper distance. All you need is elementary field test mock-up. Lean it against the facade at least several times before installation. The third and probably the most common mistake is parasitic illumination. Parasitic illuminations is light from the lamp getting into the windows and into eyes
of guests or owners of the house. So it's when the lamp is on the facade, or even when it's on the facade and a part of the lights goes into the window. This is not how it's supposed to be. If you want to emphasize the window, there are wonderful toroidal lamps. Don't fall into the eye or on the glass. Don't disturb your sleep, but creating a stunning toroidal effect. They do their job perfectly. So please, when you will do facade lighting, avoid parasite illumination.
The fourth mistake is the use of LED strip to illuminate the roof, all building elements. Overall, I have nothing in principle against the LED strip. This is a very popular solution. But it is a problem when you use it outdoors. It will definitely fail over time. And this will happen in a year maximum. Moreover, it won't completely cut down, but will be cut down segmentally. Why is this happening? Sealed LED strip is coated with a special material, like a solid compound, which, when you take it in your hand, gives the impression of a very reliable solution. But in the process, the temperature changes from the hot to cold, and so on micro cracks appear on it. And water will certainly get through these micro cracks. I once even say that if this strip hangs in the place where snow accumulates, it will die even faster. Please try not to use LED strip on your project. You can use thin one, but it should be lamp. The following mistake occurs during installation: the LED lamp on the facade. It is very important. Doesn't matter where the lamp is, not to tighten the cable when you are attaching into the lamp, because if you pull it too tight, it will crack. Then water will certainly get to the lamp through the pressure lead, and as a result, over time, this will lead to a short circuit and the lamp will fall. This will not to be a warranty case, not a single company, especially if it's some kind of non-factory, some kind of AliExpress. It won't fix it for you. So this is a small piece of advice, but it can save you from pain if you just don't pull the pressure lead too tight. To make the facade look beautiful and elegant, it is vital to use the same color temperature. If we use 2700 Kelvin lamp here, we must use 2700 Kelvin lamp everywhere on the facade. And in no case cornice lighting and the soil of entrance group lighting shouldn't be in a different color temperature. You can use different color temperature very rarely. And if you create unified lighting environment for your facade, you need to think twice. If you choose a color temperature of 2700 Kelvin, it should be everywhere, ideally to use it even at home. So that light environment is natural and looks elegant and beautiful. Our house is a place where we relax emotionally. So the warmer the color, the closer it is to the sun. To 2000 Kelvin, the more comfortable we are. And the last block, it is more about technique than a mistake in selection of fixtures. When choosing a lamp, I urge you not to look at the watts, not to look at the luminous flex, and not even to look at the optics again, because this is not tell you anything anyway. Companies is extremely rare unless it's some Italian Erco or Iguzzini tell you to be exact characteristic of your lamp with secondary optic. Most likely they give a characteristic of lens or dims, whether they finish or purchased in Finland. But we never know how far from the LED this lens is used, and we can't guarantee that 60 degree, the angle declared by the manufacturer, will be realized on the facade. Therefore, I always call for field trials. It's better to go somewhere to showroom, take the sample against receipt, lean against your facade and say, oh yeah, this is what I need. Don't pay attention to the luminous flags, luminous and watts, because these are very individual. A facade light cannot be that powerful. 20 watt, a single beam, just to make you understand, can't break through 20 matches with a good lens. Now we're talking about some kind of houses with 2 or 3 floors. So please pay attention that declared lamp power does not exist 15 to 20 watts.